Hey community, this is Dr. Hugh coming at you, and today what I want to go over is basically sugar spikes and what you can do to control your sugar spikes. You need to monitor your sugar spikes or your sugar levels, which is really simple. In my e-course right here, I have directions on where to buy this. I don't know if you can see that. Is that fuzzy? Where you can buy this thing right here. It's on Amazon, but this is going to measure your sugar spikes. So what I created here is a little graphic, or what I pulled on the internet is a little graphic. So what I really want to go over is up in here, you see these big spikes. You got low, and then you got high, and then low, and then high. These are your sugar spikes. Now, your sugar should not be going over 130. Now, if you're having sugar spikes over 130, that is telling you that you are having some sugar insulin dysregulation. So it's super simple. We want to have something very mellow like this, nice and smooth throughout the whole system here. We don't need anything that is really spiky. Spiky is what causes problems like this. This is bad. So again, 130 here, glucose or less is really what we're looking for. Let me erase some of this stuff here. Now what I'm going to do right here is I just ate. So I ate about an hour ago. So I'm going to actually demonstrate this right here. This is what I bought on Amazon. I have the little meter in there. I'm just going to prick my finger. So let's do this now. So just a little bit of blood. You can see just a little bit, and we're going to see what my sugar levels are at. So let's see what this is at. Okay, so that says 105. So that's a good reading. If you're having sugar levels of 130 or higher, that's a problem. Or if you're dipping really down here, less than 85, this is a problem. The sweet spot for your blood sugar really is 85 to 120 variability when you eat. So again, if you're getting sugars over 130, this is a problem. You need to figure out what's going on. You need to unwind that process, because if you have high sugars and low sugars, this is going to cause chronic inflammation in your body, and that's just going to lead to problems overall. So the key thing is normalize your blood sugar. If you're looking for help, let me know, because there's definitely things that you can do to get better. So with that being said, take care. Bye-bye.